Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 19th till 25th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aries in the month of October, that is from 19th till 25th of October. And this is a general video. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, let's see for my Aries, please. For my Aries, let's see. At the back of the deck we have Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So I'm seeing, see, as these both queens are looking towards each other as well, so I'm seeing that there is a strong bond between you and your person over here, you being more mature and your person being more emotional than you. But you know, feelings are really sometimes, you know, we really hide our feelings. So that is what I'm seeing with you and your person, Aries, over here, that your person is hiding his or her feelings towards you, and you are more mature, you are more like, okay, what do you want? You are like, okay, whatever you feel, you are saying that thing. But your person is not so much into this thing, because you know, no matter how much they like you, no matter how much they love you, it's more about the feelings, the expression. That is what is actually important over here in your energies, with the Temperance and the High Priestess with their energy. So I'm seeing that you are trying to maintain a balance in your relationship, in your work environment, around your environment, around you, that is. And your person is being more hideous over here. They are not telling their feelings, they are not being what they actually are. So this is more about, this is the inner feelings. Being the Queen of Cups, the real intentions are really pure, I am seeing. But you know, what is actually seen from outside, that actually matters for a person. So from outside they are being very hideous, they are being very, you know, I'm very immature, I'm very casual kind of a person. But yes, I don't feel that thing that they do not feel for you. Yes, they do feel it, but they are not showing it. They are being the High Priestess, being the kind of a person who always tries to hide their feelings. And with the Page of Wands, I'm seeing a very immature kind of a personality. You are seeing that, you know, they actually like the enthusiasm you have. They actually love the way you deal with the situation. They love it, and they are themselves the way they actually see in you. So I'm seeing that you both are matching each other's likings over here. You know, there's a match, there is a bond, which is actually important over here. So you on one side are, you know, with the Ace of Swords, I'm seeing that you are very very clear, you are mature, you are very clear. You are not that kind of a person who tries to manipulate the things, who is diplomatic. You are a person who is clear. Whatever your feelings are, you are trying to tell them. Okay, you, if you do not like the situation, if you do not like the person's interest, or if you do not like some kind of their things, you know, you just tell them. Okay, you do not try to hide it, you try to be okay, no matter how much this can make you feel that, you know, you might feel that I should leave it, I should leave the situation. But at least you are very clear, you are very sincere about that feeling of yours. You are not in that place where you are hiding. I'm seeing the person is hiding a lot from you. There is a, you know, you, when you love the idea of love, so that is what I'm seeing. They are actually in love with the idea of love, but they do not just want to accept that feeling. That is where their feelings are right now. In your coming future, I'm seeing with the Emperor and the Queen of Swords, Aries, it is actually looking, see, this is your energy with the Emperor over here, and they might be dealing with a Libran over here. their feelings, they are trying to, in the near future as well, I'm seeing that they are really hiding it. Okay, they might clear some things. There might be a communication with each of you. I'm seeing there's some kind of a communication which is coming up within 1 month, I'm seeing. And you are very determined on your part. You are more of a person who sticks to a decision. If you have made a decision, that decision has been made. No one can change your decision. No one can change your likings. No one can change your dislikings. Okay, so you are here a very real, a pure person. Whosoever you are dealing with, you are the one who is very balanced. You are the one who is mature. Trying to not hide their feelings. But in the coming future, I'm seeing a communication coming up, and they are trying to tell. They might try to cut off, if your likings and dislikings are not matching, they might try to cut off the feelings between both of you. But at least they will be true in this part. Okay, if they are not able to make you feel, if they are not able to try to tell you how exactly they are feeling, so they will be true in that thing as well, that I'm not able to tell you how I'm feeling, I'm not able to talk to you the way I'm feeling. So there will be a sort of communication, I'm seeing, a very pure communication. If yes, then yes. If no, then no. Okay, there's no more hiding in the coming future. The advice for you, Aries, is the Four of Swords and the Magician. So it is more about taking a pause, but still, when you are taking a pause, you try to analyze the situations. So I'm seeing that, the advice for you is over here that, when you try to manifest, take a pause, take a deep breath, do some meditation, do whatever you want to do. If you do not want to communicate, just wait for some time. Okay, try to manifest positively, try to see things in a positive manner, and might be the things, the way you are feeling, they will come towards you the way you want. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing over here. Let's see what else do we have over here for my Aries. Okay, so the Tower and the Knight of Rods, it is here over here. So this is a feeling of, when you do not have a base, when the foundation was not so strong, sometimes things happen, like sometimes some likings happen all of a sudden. Okay, and the breakups also happen all of a sudden. If the foundation was strong between both of you, things will remain same. Okay, if the foundation was built on a negative mode, like if your relationship was started in a way like with lies and with manipulations, then things might turn in a bad way. But if your relationship, if you were pure from your heart, if the reality of the relationship was very pure, the foundation was pure, things will be fine. That is what I'm feeling. Yeah, you do not have to fear about this thing. See, that is what it is over here with this Four of Swords. I'm seeing that, it's better to take a pause. The advice from the universe is this only: it's better to take a pause than to end a relationship in a bad note. So do not fear about a situation. If you are thinking that, you have to take a decision from your mind, then from your heart, then take a decision. If you are feeling, because I'm seeing that you are wanting something else from this relationship, you need something else and you are getting something else. You want maturity, and what you are getting immaturity. So it's like whatever you are asking for, you are getting the opposite of that thing in your relationship. So this might be a problem with your relationship. Do not fear about it. Do not fear. No need to fear. Just move on, just take a pause, and things will be soon themselves. Alright, so we have Cancer, Capricorn, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, Gemini, and Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, yes, Leo. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aries. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.